We are back, baby. It's been a while since my last upload. Probably about that long. But we're back. And we're doing something a little different today, but not really different because it's what I've been doing a lot of lately. I'm out of iGal. I whooped out. I did not even manage to submit my W submission because, well, real life sucks. But, real life doesn't always suck. Some good things have happened. I have a 3D printer now. I am working on getting my part 107, and we are having a whoop weekend, baby. I got Aaron coming out. He's rocking the Meteor 7504 fucking light thing. So that's gonna be fun. I want to fly that today. That sounds pretty sick. And I'm rocking analog because I'm analog whoopie boy. I got the Mob 8, got the Meteor 75, the Scream, or not the Meteor 75, the Scream Air 75. My Air 75 with 32,000 kVO 702 screamers on it. That is a fun fucking whoop. And then I have my custom Hummingbird thing, which I'll probably fly a little bit of, but not too much because it's only 25 milliwatt, and 25 milliwatt Guerilla whooping isn't fun. But right now we are at Union Station over there, waiting on Aaron. He's on the way, and then we are gonna go out and do some shit.
Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. Why let all that get to my head? I don't care how big the town red. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I'd let all that get to my head. I don't care how big the town red. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel. She put her foot on the pedal. We'll take her home, but for me to settle. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel. She put her foot on the pedal. We'll take her home, but for me to settle. My happiness is only your misery. This much of don't come with no jealousy. My illness don't come with no remedy. I am so much fun without energy. They just want my love and my energy. You can't talk no shit with no penalties. Bitch, I'm into shit if you sit for me. I'm going to glow up one more time. Trust me, I have magical foresight. You gon' see me sleeping in courtside. You gon' see me 8 and 10 more times. You can't take the bitch nowhere. I look better with nowhere. Ain't no sign I can't smoke here. Give me the chance, I'll go there. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I'd let all that get to my head. I don't care how big the town bad. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I'd let all that get to my head. I don't care how big the town bad. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel. She put her foot on the pedal. We'll take her home, but for me to settle. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel. She put her foot on the pedal. We'll take her home, but for me to settle.
Check out my fucking shitty 3D printed tripod here.
Hey, that 3D printed one too.
It works. Yeah. It's decent.
Yeah, they work. I 3D printed one for my phone.
Yeah. I want to do one for my phone. I've been learning some shit with that printer for sure.
Really?
Yeah, it'll teach you. It will teach you. Man, I had a GoPro mount going when I went to bed, and it was like 40% done. It was looking so good.
Really?
And then I woke up to a pile of lime green spaghetti.
Oh shit. That was a decent pack. Yeah, I'm not flying great today. Not very precise. I haven't flown for like a week or 2 weeks. There's a guy coming. Oh, you hit it immediately. Dang.
Ooh, windy. Through the hole.
Another guy coming.
Yep. Dot the flags.
Let's go.
Don't tell me you're scared. Don't tell me you're scared. Don't tell me you're scared. You can't be scared, Aaron.
I will go on record.
You can't be scared.
I will go on record.
I think you're scared.
I am scared.
This is yeah. This is one Kansas City place, I think. This is the tallest building in the Midwest.
Yeah, I believe. Damn.
Me for scale.
I want to see you. These don't have like the Avada death spiral, right? Yeah, dude, I just feel
If
like
you
it's
pull
gonna
out
be windy.
huge and flat,
Then,
it'll
yeah.
kind of go whoop.
Yeah.
But nah, you got to work on your pull-out game. That's it.
Got 2 kids. Obviously, it ain't great.
It is a little windy.
Yeah, dude. Especially to go up there.
It is a little windy. But if you think I'm not sending it, you got another thing coming. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, your turn.
Dude, I'm terrified.
All the way to the top, baby.
Yeah.
All the way up there.
Yeah, all the way to the top and just dove down the side of it. Yep, all the way to the very top.
Oh man. I'm gonna do like half dive, half
Feel it out, feel it out, feel it out, feel it out.
3/4 building.
Feel it out.
Feel it out.
Fill it up. This is your first big dive, huh?
Yeah. First actual big dive. Turn shit on
With the 04.
with the 04.
Can't even get that shit no more.
No.
Hey, just whatever you do, don't be nervous and don't lose it.
Don't lose it.
Yeah, don't lose it and don't be nervous. That's it. That's all you got to do.
Easy.
It's easy, man.
Great advice.
There you go. Oh, tallest building in the Midwest, or in Missouri.
Man, it's a big building, man.
Dude, it's so hard to see you already.
Man, it's a big building, dude. Trying to stay close to it.
Whew.
I think I feel some wind.
Oh yeah.
All right, we're going down.
Where are you?
I'm diving.
You're good?
We're diving. We're good.
I still don't even see you. Did you go to the top?
Yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh,
He's
shit.
flying.
Curious. I saw it.
He's flying one of these little bitty guys.
Yeah, I saw it. Like,
Oh, fucking shit. Dude, I'm shaking like a motherfucker. I'm coming back. I can't freestyle it anymore. I can't freestyle it.
You made it back.
Oh, shit. Dude, my legs are shaking.
I know.
Dude, when I
dude.
looked down, I was
know.
like, oh my gosh. I think I even felt a little bit like where I was going, oh.
Yeah, you'll feel a little vertigo up there. Yeah, I'm good to go.
Oh, hold on. So, this switch is angle mode. Keep it in the middle.
Yeah.
Down is beeper. All the way up on this switch is on.
All the way up on which switch? This one?
This one, all the way up.
Okay.
You're armed right now.
Cool.
Oh
top.
See ya.
Coming down. Oh, she's all right.
Hell yeah.
A lot of jello.
Yeah. Like I said, haven't figured the jello out.
A lot of jello. Oh, people. That camera angle is messing with me more than anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
High or low?
Yeah, it feels a little low. I did not almost hit that truck. Yeah, it feels like a pig, dude.
Yeah.
Whoa, your rates are also crazy. You have no
They're
expo.
slow.
You don't fly with a whole lot of expo, do you?
No, I think I have 2.2.
Yeah, I fly with 0.4.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like 0.46 is what I fly.
No, I fly with like no expo.
It handles good, it's just so heavy.
It is heavy. It falls out of the sky fast, but it handles it.
It
covers
really
kinda
does
good.
fall fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, I caught on to that.